Okay, today is the day I'm going to harvest the hungry bin with the red wigglers inside of it. I am going to harvest them in this particular bin from this tray here. I won't show the process. You've seen it before. So yeah, I will bring you back after I've done the harvest. Alright, I just pulled the harvest tray and that's all I got. It's been a month and I'm assuming I didn't do a very good job of poking the stick down so more of the cast would fall through. So that's it. That's the little one for a month. See how big the tray is and how little I got for a month, but that's okay. Let's see how wet this is. Can't tell just by looking at it. Let me put my glove back on. It is wet. So you know what? And I don't see any worms in here. So, and there's such a little bit. I'm not going to try and sift it or dry it out or anything like that. I'm going to put it directly on my garden. So here we go. All right. Let me take my glove off. So there we go. And I'll be back with putting the stick down again, resetting this bin, and feeding the hungry bin. Okay, before I put the stick down, I want to check the bin and see how the food has been for the past week. Let's see. I see some mites. And during the week, I know there was a lot of worms up at the top, but now I see mites. And some growth. Let's see. So it looks like very wet. Ugh. Mites galore. I think I'm just going to take this and throw it out. Not even going to try and retrieve it. Just throw it out. Right back. Okay. So here's a nice goodly amount of worms. Don't know what they were around. Oh yes I do. They're around the apples. Some other apples. So they're still eating whatever I put down there. Of course we know the apples would take a couple weeks to get in. Unfortunately, that's how long it takes for it to break down. Okay, so that looks alright. See that they were still working on the food. A lot of activity going on. Unfortunately, it also drew some gnats. But anyway, let's move this stuff apart move the food apart and look at that. Nice worms. It is warm in here. There's still a lot of worms around. Okay. Let me go ahead, get my stick. Let me take this glove off so I can hang on to the stick and go ahead and reset this bin. Obviously I didn't dig that far enough down last time. So let's see if I'll do it this time. Yeah. Stuck, stuck, stuck. I don't hear anything plopping to the ground or the bottom of the bin like I did last time. So it's probably really stuck there thick. I think I've hit bottom right there. Okay, well, I think we can see that the level of the bin has dropped. I think it was like up to here. Now it's down further, so that's good. I think we can see that the worms are fine. Okay. Still being broken down. Awesome, awesome. Hopefully there will be a bigger harvest next time. Some worms in here. All right. So I expect the apples to be gone next week. This week I am feeding them. Let's see what I have. Put some eggshell down. Since I have a lot of mites, just go ahead and put extra eggshell down. Not going to hurt anything. Let's see. The worms I love, which is watermelon, frozen watermelon. That's all that was in the bag. Just want to make sure that it's all in one level. And put some worm chow on top. With some moist bedding. My moist bedding does contain crushed up mosquito bits. Mosquito dunks, sorry. So hopefully that will deter the gnats. And then also some coral calcium. I'll put a little bit extra. And that's it for this week. Thank you for coming on this journey with me.